was a howl that night, a howling like I never heard before. A cry so loud, oh granddad almost hit the door. She said, I love this child as much as anyone ever bore. And I thank the Lord we won't be having any more. Then the baby heard the sweetest sound he ever heard. In a tone so beautiful he hung on to every word. She said, hush my love, Granny's little dove gonna take to the sky. As on such a night he learned to fly like a bird. Now the years have passed, memories come and go. He hears that voice, rocks him gently so. A calm will descend, there's peace at the end of the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. Ba-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. Now the years have passed, memories come and go. He hears that voice, rocks him gently so. A calm will descend, there's peace at the end of the darkest night. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird. Sometimes I cry, sometimes I fly like a bird.